All right, we'll just go around. All right, got some Frank's action going on. Dirt's a little dry, but it's actually really nice right now. You're gonna complain because it's better than a bunch of freaking dust. You guys want to ride any of this or go that way first and then maybe do this on the way back? You want to just head that way then?
What happened?
No, I was just asking if you want to ride any of this first or go that way first.
Yeah, we can go that way and find some gnarly stuff.
Okay, let's do that. Let's just go our normal. Because we can always come back here because this is all shaded. Any water? Nope. Yeah, boy. Right over this stuff. Oh, we should do the new Jeffy and Daryl trail over here. That's right, we got to hit that. Got to hit the bypass. This is the one that throws you off the fucking trail. There's the, oh shit. Where's it at? It's right there. That one always throws me off. Always end up bouncing off. Now remember, you got to wait for your dad at the corners. Don't just get right on my butt. Hold on one sec.
Getting a phone call.
Oh, I just wanted... I had told my son. No, Kmart Dawn